Hello everybody, welcome to Linux terminal tutorial. Here we will learn about basics Linux terminal commands. Next command is cal. Cal. To know more about cal, I have made a table of that. These are the description, display the calendar of the current month. But you don't need any description, just write cal dash help. Invalid option. This will not work for cal. Just write man cal. This is the manual page. You see manual page, you can know more about it. In some command help will not work. For that you have to use man. Man will show you the manual page for that command. You see cal, ncal, display a calendar and the date of Easter. Okay. They are saying press A is for help and press Q for quit. Just write A is. This is how we can format our text. Just read those. Okay, let's quit it. Press Q and write cal. It is showing the calendar of today. You see, this is the calendar. And next command is echo, echo, echo. For example, we want to print something on our display of our terminal. We can just write echo and write anything inside this true ACLLOWORLD. You see, this is hello all this printing. For example, I want to write something else. Just write hello SCRIB my CA channel. It will print the same thing. But remember, we have to write inside these two what it is called, I don't remember. These two things each. If you remember, you can comment me. Once again I have misspelled, so just correct it. Echo. Now this time it's work. Okay, next I will describe about clear. You see, there are lots of things in our window, but when we will walk through it, that will disturb our eye. That means we will forget the working path. So what we can do, just write clear. By writing clear, we can clear the screen. But those commands are not deleted it. How we can see those commands? Just go over there on the right side. There is a scroll bar. You can see those are also present. The next command is TTY. Display current terminal. There we are located the current terminal. Okay. Next one is whoami. Just copy it and paste. Ctrl Shift V. Whoami and enter. That means the name of our computer is saying this command tribal the user who is currently logged in. I am currently logged in my Linux operating system. There is one more option. There is one more command, that is whatis. This command gives online description about the command line. I think you got what I have tried to say. What is date? I have misspelled once again. That is my nature. This is the online description. Print or set the system date and time. Okay.